at this point, I'm also joined by C.S. Patil, Scientist Director, IMD. I'm also joined by Anubha Srivastava Sahai, Educationist and President, India White Parents Association. And I'm also joined by Dr. K.J. Ramesh, former DG IMD. Anubha, I'll directly come to you. The visuals that we are watching on our screens, like I said, it's literally horror unfolding on the streets of Mumbai. These kids, they're not at fault. Red alert was already in place. Somehow schools decide to function. If parents are left guessing till midday, the whole purpose of a safety alert is lost. And today's chaos just proved that.
Thank you for having me on this show, and I'm really shocked why BMC has not taken any call when IMD has already issued red alert yesterday and day before. Since 2-3 days, they are issuing red alert. But our local authorities, our state government, they are least bothered. They are not concerned about children's safety. I think it's high time that these officials and authorities should be held accountable. This is absolutely criminal negligence, I would say. And until unless we take action against these authorities for all the negligence on their part, I don't think the situation will improve. In other states like Delhi and all, we know that during winters they declare holiday. In Mumbai and other areas, Mumbai, Pune and other cities where there is waterlogging issue, we always face this problem every year. Why BMC and other local authorities don't step in, don't take precaution? Why they should have directed all the schools? What they have done today, they have taken a decision very late. They should have taken it last week or maybe yesterday. Why there was a delay on their part, I could not understand. What are they up to? And strict action should be taken. Then only this issue will be resolved.
Was this a complete failure of coordination between civic authorities and schools?
Yes. Civic authorities and state government also. What schools will do or what parents will do, until unless there is a direction from the authorities, the schools will not act. Some schools might have declared holiday on their own, but until unless there is a direction from the government, the schools will also not take any decision. So it's high time schools should also take decision, no doubt. But at the same time, the authorities are to be responsible. They are the ones who should take immediate decision. If IMD has issued any circular or any warning, red alert, then why the authorities were sleeping? I cannot understand what they have done today. Just now they have issued a circular. Why today they have issued a circular? This could have been done yesterday or day before to save our children. What if any tragedy would have happened? Nobody would have taken responsibility. So this happens every year. They are not even making safe roads. You will see all the potholes dug up all over Mumbai, Pune, everywhere. What the civic authorities are doing, what the state government is doing to take care of our children. They're just
stay with us. In fact, let me also now show our viewers what exactly.
They're only collecting money from residents from citizens, and that money is being misused.
Right, Anubha, I get what you're saying, but I'll request you to hold on to that thoughts. In fact, visuals are very important right now for all our viewers. Let me just quickly show them what exactly is taking place in Mumbai. It's a city underwater. Mumbai is once again battling the fury of the monsoon. Visuals coming in reveal the chaos that has been unleashed as a city quite literally collapses, viewers. Children who had to rush home after the BMC ordered schools shut by midday revealed how systems were clearly unprepared to deal with the situation. The ever-reliable Mumbai police force seen rescuing children from stranded buses, among other such sights. Now, relentless rain has in fact pounded the financial capital for nearly 3 days now, turning streets into streams and subways into swimming pools. From Andheri to Dadar, traffic crawled through waist-deep water, while stranded commuters waded barefoot through flooded intersections. Local train services, the city's lifeline, were brought to a near standstill with platforms submerged and tracks invisible beneath sheets of water. In many areas, like you're watching right on your screens, there utter chaos unfolding on the streets of Mumbai. All hit by the deluge. The BMC, in fact, has issued high tide warnings as more rain is forecast through the night. Schools and colleges declared shut even as a red alert has been issued. and the emergency teams there are on high alert. But for lakhs of Mumbaikars, it's another sleepless night in a city battling to stay afloat. Let me, in fact, quickly go across to my panel of guests there, Dr. KJ Ramesh, former DG IMD. Dr. Ramesh, you know, the IMD issued a red alert, yet lakhs of people, including children, were caught in flood chaos. Are these alerts even reaching the citizens, or are they reaching, the citizens a bit too late? Or are the civic bodies simply not acting on them?
नो आप खुद ही बोल रहे 3 दिन से बारिश हो रहा है लास्ट 3 days rainfall is happening intermittently there were
जी.
many heavy spells also in the early morning and night and this weekend rainfall following extending up to the Monday Tuesday were issued right from 14th 13th 14th itself with red color coded warnings. These warnings reach instantly to disaster management authorities, designated agencies within the Mumbai and as well as the state disaster management authority. There is a protocol available. There is no question of not receiving these alerts at all. It is a problem of response.